Good morning, you all, and well, happy Saturday. Oh my goodness, the sunrise is going to be an amazing one. It is October 26th, about 7:35, and isn't that just awesome? I'll try this evening to capture the sunset over the ocean. It is foggy at the moment. The wind is very little. But we are expected a storm here, I think tonight. And someone's hungry and wants a treat. Does somebody want a treat? But isn't that amazing? That's an amazing shot with a little cute dog. Hi. Yes, you're cute. Please like, subscribe, and leave us a positive comment. What are you doing this beautiful